Before you do this, duplicate your scene. Don't be an idiot. Duplicate your scene or make a copy. Save as. Just make sure you back up your scene. You might lose it all. And then your mind. This object has been driving me insane. I cannot select it. It doesn't seem to exist. But surely it does. You can see it right here. Well, I've found how to get rid of it. If you press Control A while in the hierarchy by going to Edit, select all, you can do the same. And if you now go for copy, then you have copied everything in the scene. Fun fact, if you press delete now, this freaking thing stays. Now let's go to scene view, press Control A. Oh, now you are selected. Interesting. Interesting. Anyways, let's just delete it. Edit, delete, just like I did before with the rest of the stuff. And now paste the stuff we copied earlier. Okay, this haunted thing is gone. The rest of the map is still there. Problem solved. Goodbye, I'm going to bed now.